Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and it provides various features to interact with web elements. One useful feature is action chains, which allows you to create a series of actions to perform more complex interactions, such as mouse hovering, dragging and dropping, or key combinations. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use action chains in Python with Selenium, along with code examples to demonstrate different scenarios. Before getting started, make sure you have the following installed. Let's start with a simple example to understand how to use action chains. Suppose we want to perform a right-click operation on an element. Hovering over an element is another common use case. Let's see how to achieve this using action chains. Performing a drag and drop operation involves 3 steps: clicking on the source element, dragging to the target element, and releasing the mouse button. Here's how you can do it.